This brief presentation will explain how to read the lab schedule to determine what date you should be in lab and what your responsibilities are. What you'll notice is that there are 3 sections to the Excel spreadsheet for the lab schedule. The top one shows you what the weeks are, the topics, and then shows which group comes on which dates, which are these guys here. The second part of the chart shows which lab groups and then which students are in them. So if you look at, for example, Tuesday Group 1, all of the students on this top line here that I'm writing through are the students that will be in Tuesday Group 1. So those students would come back up to Tuesday Group 1 from 8:15 to 10:05 on these particular dates. For example, if we were looking at Thursday Group 2, we have these students on the bottom line here, and we look up at the top, Thursday Group 2, and they should be showing up on these dates at this time. The last part of the chart shows you the roles that each of you will have in each of the 6 labs. So if we go back up to the middle table and we look under letter B, for example, for lab number 1, letter B has these roles. They're going to be drawing up the reversal drug and also restraining the patient. In lab number 2, the roles for B is the pre-sedation exam, administering the eye lubricant, and returning the patient to kennel. Lab number 3, their role comes down over here in this group of skills. Lab number 4, over here with this group of skills. Lab number 5, here with this group of skills. And then lab number 6, they're going to repeat those initial skills that they first performed in the first lab. So again, the top chart is going to show you the weeks and the topics and the dates you should arrive based on your group. The second chart is going to show you what group you're in and your letter assignment for your role, which is in the third chart. And again, just follow the labs, find your letter, and straight up top will be your role. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. But there are all the information you need for the lab in order to figure out when you should show up and what you're going to be doing is listed in this chart.